message. For the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Harrison, Jefferson, and Tuscarawas. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Columbiana County in east central Ohio, northeastern Harrison County in east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southern Carroll County in east central Ohio, east central Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 3:15 a.m. At 2:42 a.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Carrollton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Hopedale, CO, Jewett, Burgolds, Amsterdam, Richmond, Bowerston, Irondale, Delroy, Sherroddsville, Bloomingdale, Leesville, Unionport, Harlem Springs, Leesville Lake Park, Kilgore, and Atwood Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WWF 35 in Bridgeport, Ohio, operating on 162.525 megahertz, with a power output of